Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll learn how to easily connect Instruqt to Salesforce and configure options to enrich leads and contacts with play data. First, let's enable the integration. Let's go to play.instruqt.com. Under the Settings menu, select Integrations. Within the Salesforce section, click Connect, and the Salesforce modal will pop up. Select Connect again, and then choose the type of account. This will bring up a Salesforce pop-up which might require us to log in. Now we need to allow access to Instruqt via our subprocessor Paragon. Check out our documentation page for our subprocessor list and other information. Review the data here and click on Allow. Now we see the configuration of the workflows. Click the toggle button to enable the first workflow, Create Lead on Form Submission, and select the new lead status according to your preferences. For this example, we'll select New. This configuration will save automatically. Check out the other workflows and change the settings according to your preferences. Now we can close out of the modal and we're all set. Let's take a closer look at how the Instruqt data is visualized within Salesforce. By default, the integration will send updates to the chatter section of both leads and contacts. These updates include track started, track completed, including time spent until completion, track score, and track written feedback if provided. Now here we see our user, Jessica Jones, is entering in their data to access the track provided to them. Now that they have started their track, let's switch over to Salesforce. Keep in mind, your dashboard might be set up slightly different than ours. Let's access our Leads panel. Here we see our new lead has been added. If we click on it, we can see the details. Click on Activity to view a recent activity feed. Scrolling down on the bottom left, notice we have added an Instruqt Plays object. This allows us to easily see details about the tracks that have been played by this user. Click on View All to see Jessica's plays. Let's click on an individual play, and it looks like Jessica left some feedback. She really enjoyed this track and might want to know more. Awesome! Let's look at how to add the Instruqt Plays object to our dashboard. Go to the Settings icon, Setup, and then Object Manager on the left panel. Scroll down to Instruqt_play. Under the Field and Relationships tab, select Lead. Click the Set Field Level Security and enable Visible or Read Only to the profiles you want to be able to visualize Instruqt Plays. Go ahead and repeat this step for each field you want to make visible. Let's head back to our lead page. On the top right, select the Settings icon and then click on Edit Page. Here we can customize our layout. On the left toolbar under Components, click on Dynamic Related List and drag it to the position you want it to live on your record page layout. Now we need to make some adjustments. Change Related List to Instruqt Plays. Great! Now let's add in some list fields. If we click Add Field, we can see the options for customizing this object. For the sake of this example, we'll add in the following: create a date, time spent, and Instruqt track. When you are finished, select Save in the top right corner. Let's click back to our lead, and there it is. We see the Instruqt Plays object on the left-hand side. Great job! For more information about the Instruqt Salesforce integration, head to our documentation page.